Hello again. So nandito ulit ako sa sa site namin. So wala pa masyadong ginagawa. So, 'yun, so nagre-reflect muna ako. Maganda dito mag-reflect parang parang retreat eh. So maraming puno. So maganda siyang maganda siyang ah ano ba? 'Yun, so maganda siyang retreat site. So, 'yun, I'm just reflecting kanina nung yung Ash Wednesday. So ashes, dust, parang ganun. So, it's usually quoted, 'di ba? Yung from uh, is it yes tingin ko sa Genesis din yun yung from dust you came, so to dust you will return. So that's actually after the fall, 'di ba? After the fall, si Adam and Eve, so nagkasala sila. Ayun, so na-fall sila. uh, Yun, actually maganda siyang reflection, pero tingin ko parang we're too much focusing on the judgment of God kay Adam and Eve. Pero nakalimutan natin yung pinakaunang yung creation verse, 'di ba? From the dust, kalimutan ko yung this a man is created from dust, 'di ba? And God breathed life into his nostrils and he became a living being, parang ganun. From dust, so he created man, tapos yun nga, he breathed life. 'Di ba? Pero may dust din doon. So parang yun din yun, the same concept about yung dust kasi symbolizes our nothingness eh. Para so we know na we're created from nothing. So yun yung pinaka nun. So before or even if na-create na yung world, 'di ba? So parang there's a point in our bago pa tayo before we exist into being na we were nothing in space, parang ganun. So we don't have a soul, so we are nothing. So yun. Yun yung parang symbolism ng dust. So parang tingin ko mas magandang pagnilayan yung creation verse, yung creation point na created us from dust and he breathed life to us. Parang it's speaking of the love of God for us, di ba? Actually, God has no need of us. God has no need of um, anything from us. But He created us so that we may partake on His life, which is uh, loving others. Parang ganun yung parang ganun yung uh, reflection nun eh. So makikita mo kung i-reflect mo na maigi, para makikita mo yung how could God um, create us, 'di ba? Parang does He need anything, 'di ba? Parang yun nga yung ano natin. Ang ano nga ang yung verse, I mean yung quote from Saint Catherine of Siena. Yung quoting the dignity of man sa Catechism of the Catholic Church. 'Di ba alam naman natin na God created us from His own image and likeness. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na God has a face or a body, 'di ba? We cannot conceive God. Parang our conception of God falls short. He's greater. He's not the highest being, but ano ba yung sabi ni Father Robert Barron? Being in He is to be. Medyo mataas na yung uh, all the being or all that exists came from Him, di ba? So hindi siya highest being, but all that there exists uh, ushering forth from His own Himself. So we cannot say that God is a being. Parang ang sabi ni Saint Catherine, parang himself, reflecting on himself, parang dun nakita niya yung his own image and likeness, and then he summoned that into being, which is us, di ba? Parang isipin mo talagang yung yung image and likeness, which is usually our own free will, and meron ding other doctors of the church call it intelligence. So yun yung ano natin, likeness natin into God. Ay, sorry, yung image natin into God. Tapos yung likeness is our life of grace. So, yun. So parang nakakatuwang isipin na God is seeing us, parang He's reflecting on Himself. Parang pag tinitingnan niya tayo, parang He's seeing Himself on us. Nakita niya yung sarili niya sa atin. So kaya He could be moved by compassion when looking at us. Kasi nakikita niya yung sarili niya eh. Parang ganun. Pag ikaw, nakikita niya na galing tayo sa Kanya. Parang ano din, parang for example, nanay or tatay, di ba? Pag tinitingnan nila yung anak nila, nakikita nila na galing yung anak nila sa kanila. Parang ganun. Or yung anak, titingnan nila yung parents nila, parang makikita nung anak na galing sila sa nanay tatay nila. Parang ganun. Parang ganun yung ano, yung compassion ni God or yung loving look ni God sa atin. When He sees us, He's seeing His own image and likeness. So kaya He would parang He alam niyang galing tayo sa kanya. Parang ganun. So parang automatic na yung compassion niya, automatic na yung love niya kasi nandun yung dynamics of yung love, di ba? So parang mother and father, mother and mother father and children, mother and children, parang ganun yung dynamic. So nakakatuwang isipin, i-reflect yung His immense love na for us, creating, so napakalalim. So marami pang sigurong, it would take a lifetime for us to reflect on that. From nothingness to existence, from dust to existence, from dust to being, from dust to being human being, parang ganun. So napakalalim isipin. So yun. So I hope you will have a great Lent. So I pray for you na maging blessed and fruitful yung celebration nyo ng Lent.